If you struggle to stay regulated throughout the day and you find yourself coping with your stress or pain in ways that you do not want to be coping, then I want to invite you to pay attention to two things. One is the ramp up. What are the signs and symptoms that my body gives me that lets me know I'm headed in a state of further dysregulation or dysregulation at all? I say further because there's some people who are just living in a chronic state of dysregulation. It's just, how do we know that it's reaching its maximum? Now, we want to do this because we want to be able to make interventions sooner and sooner and sooner to land the plane. Because we know that once we reach a certain place of dysregulation, we lose touch with our tools and that frontal cortex and prefrontal cortex that we need for making good decisions. The second thing we want to pay attention to is the ramp down. How do I know that my system's moving out of this dysregulated state and towards more coherence? We highlight this over and over and over again because what it does is it teaches the system that this is temporary and that there is always a coming down, even if it's just to a little bit less intensity. The more we can do this, the more likely we are to not have to cope. And there becomes a rhythm to it and a pendulation to it so we can actually discharge energy and come back.